Hello everyone, welcome to this presentation session. My name is Rakiba Sultana. Today, me and my partner Min Hui Lee will present our final project, and this is about code switching, a comparative study between English and Chinglish. We both are very grateful to our supervisor Ian Viet, who helps us to complete our project. So let's move on our contents. So we decided our contents into 6 parts. The first is research questions, background and motivation, literature and review, research methodology, results and findings, and the last one is conclusion. So I will present the first three, and my partner will present the last 3 parts. So let's start my part, and the first one is research question. We have divided 3 research questions. The first one is English primarily or mostly used on the internet? The second one is English used in multiple domains, not only the internet? And the third one is, what similarities and differences are there between the uses of Chinglish and English among university professors at a Sino-foreign university? Let's move on the background and the motivation. So here we have some background and also we have some motivations. The first one is phenomenon in linguistics. As our work is about code switching, so we think that the code switching is a phenomenon in linguistics. The second one is colonization and globalization. Actually, because of the colonization and globalization, many people migrated from one language region to another for better trade and the livelihood opportunities. For this reason, they need to communicate and they use the code switching. The another reason is multilingual and global world. In today's multilingual and global world, people communicate internet or any other domain by mixing English and many other languages like Hindi and Chinese. And the last one is our motivation, the research team members. Actually, the research team members from 2 different countries. One is from China and another is from Bangladesh. So the researchers had motivated to explore the languages differences between Chinglish and English, as the Chinese who have the idea about the Chinglish language and code switching. And also, as I'm Bangladeshi, I am so familiar about the Hindi speakers people and the English code switching. So those are the researchers' motivation. So let's move on in the literature review part. We have divided our literature review into 3 parts. The first part is the code switching, and the second is the English, and the last one is Chinglish. So let's start from the code switching. So actually, during doing our research project, we have found some literature review for this. So for this code switching, we found that according to Gomperz, 1982, switching or mixing between 2 languages is called code switching. And another researcher also said that Bali et al. 2014 and Das and Gambach 2015 found that internet users frequently use code switching in their textual chats, comments, and also messages posted on social media. The next one is the English related some literature review. According to Kumar 1986 and Sinha 2009, code switching from Hindi to English speaking has become a common trend among the urban population in India. Also, the prior research said that according to Nima and Chawla 2018, English is a reconsidering in cultural conventions in social media and the internet and other domains such as advertising, marketing, and the Bollywood movies. That means English is used or the language is reconsidered in several several domains like advertising, marketing, Bollywood movies, even different kinds of posters and placards, festoons, they use English. So the next one is the Chinglish. So actually, we have also found several Chinglish related research. So in this, the main thing is Chinglish was developed from Chinese Pidgin English. According to Wei and Fei 2003, Qingli always has featured in Chinese languages for example, in their syntax and grammars. And also, New Chinglish affects society and also connects the citizen Chinglish to the internet. It's by Wei and 2006. So let's move on the next part and let's welcome my partner Tammy. She will present the next three parts of our presentation.
So I'm Tammy. Next, I will introduce our research methodology. Our research methodology used a cross-sectional and a descriptive qualitative approach to gauge the bilingual perceptions of using English and Chinglish during the conversation. So, as for the procedure and the participants, we carefully selected 10 faculty members with PhD educational levels from a Sino-foreign university in China, which was selected as the primary informations for the study. And all of them are second language speakers of language, among which 5 are the Mandarin speakers, while the rest of them are the native Hindi speaker. As for the data collection, all the participants were completely voluntary and were completely anonymous. We used open-ended questions, and all the interviews were conducted through the audio recording during the conversation. For example, we asked them with whom you usually use the code switching or code mixing, or for what reason, or for what reason will you use the code switch or code mixing, or will you use code mixing or code switching on the internet or on the daily basis. After collecting the data, we draw the conclusion about this Chinglish and English. For the Chinglish users, most Chinese professors seldom use code switching and code mixing in their daily life, but most of them always use it on the internet. So when I interviewed the one participant of the ELC professors, she said to me, she always used 你去哪里呀? Long time no see. They always combined Chinese and Chinglish on the internet to make the conversation more fun. And sometimes they also use code switching in their class because they often think that using code switching or code mixing not the professional way, especially for advanced English learners. So for the English speakers, their second language is English, and they are bilingual. The majority of the respondents frequently use code switching English during their conversations. They usually speak English with their family members and close friends, or the respondents use English during a casual, intimate, and a fun conversation. So at the end of our presentation, we just draw a table to make a conclusion more clearly. From the table, we can easily find that the similarities are the English users and the Chinglish users use code switching with friends, and the others only use on the internet. The distinctive differences are the frequency of the language use and the usage in the usage occasions. From the first line, we can see that the English users always use it frequently, while the Chinglish users seldom use it. And for Chinglish users, they maybe only use it with their friends or seldom with it with their family. When they communicate with their family, they always use the dialects instead of the Chinglish or other language. But for the English users, they speak they use code switching on a daily basis. And for the research paper, due to the time constraints, so we only have the maybe 10 days to investigate the whole research paper. So maybe uh, the participants will all the 10 highly educated PhD participants for the further research paper we will extend to the students. And our topic uh, is also the code switching or the code mixing among the students and the professors. So here are our presentations. There are the references that we will present. Thank you.